need, and I know you taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic, you live life on everyday.
Good night, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whenever you're watching. I am baking my own birthday cake because what I want to do is talk about your bakeries and your local businesses. Y'all can't go out here negotiating these people price, honey. And with me being on a budget, I want to support some of my local bakeries and whatnot. But you can't tell them what to charge, like your egg prices, your buttermilk, your heavy whipping cream that's hard to find. Just some things that's essential in baking has went up. And we shouldn't be going in there negotiating nobody's price, okay? So I baked my own. Now, I want you to watch this formula right here. Read the description box. This is my no-bake cheesecake filling for anybody that sell cheesecake jars, or you want to ship cheesecake jars or the cheesecake parfaits. That would be the perfect recipe before you add the eggs. Now that I've added the 2 eggs, I'm going to bake this off. And yes, you all going to see that this is a crustless cheesecake because I want a cheesecake layer in the middle of my birthday cake, hence the rainbow chip funfetti type of cake. Now, the rainbow chips to me was very, very small. So you're going to see something I'm going to do. So to my batter, I have a half cup measurement. I believe I did half vegetable oil, half coconut oil. I'll go back and double check, but remember, always check the description below, okay? And I did this with almond milk, and I also did this with some sour cream for the denseness. But the almond milk gives a very fluffy cake-like. I wanted like a fluffy birthday cake, but not dry, honey, because you know we don't do dry cakes over here. And that will be the whole point of the sour cream. Now, look at this batter. It's looking really, really nice. I liked it. I tasted that birthday cake flavor extract from Lori's is amazing. I tossed some of my sprinkles in flour. Anytime you add in fruit, nuts, anything to your cakes, roll them in flour and fold them in. That way it doesn't sink to the bottom. This way I can have sprinkles all throughout the cake layers. So then I got a wow hair up my butt because y'all know my favorite dessert is strawberry shortcake. So why not make my cream cheese frosting, icing, but do a layer of strawberry filling as well. Now to that cream cheese icing, I took a whole block of softened cream cheese because I wanted more cream cheesy than sweet. And I add my extracts. I did not go back and added any more sugar. That was the perfect sweetness for me. And this is how my layers turned out. I got them trimmed. I got them cleaned up. And we're going to drop a thin layer of icing. And then I'm going to drop my strawberry gel. Now, strawberry gel has 2 ways to be done. You can buy the gel packaging from the store, which I do. I add vanilla and lemon juice to take that package taste out. Or I can come back and do a video and show y'all how to do the gel from scratch with gelatin. So here I thought I got a good picture of the finished cake, and I actually did not. It wasn't until I realized I was cutting it for everyone at work and for my neighbors. I'm like, dang, I forgot to came back and vlog and took a picture of the actual cake. So this is how it came out, you all. That cheesecake layer in the middle is so silky on top of that fluffy birthday cake. So if you ever see people do the red velvet cake with the cheesecake layer, that would be a perfect cheesecake to do in the middle because it's not so thick, it's not so bulky. The 2 9-inch rounds give the perfect size cake. It's not a tall cake, it won't fall over on you. Just doing the thin layer works out better for me. And happy 42nd birthday to me. Bye, y'all.